Started doing contracts to me, cause I don't really fight that hard on the streets. I don't really fight this hard on me. I said, bring them in, we don't know when we're swinging in, burning sun down. I don't really fight that hard on the streets. I don't really fight the spiders.
When the task is fair and heightless, that's when they wanna make sacrifices. Only got dogs, you don't bear a likeness. Said you wanna do right, they don't make you righteous. If you wanna do right, they don't make you like this. If you go 3 lefts, you can make a right. But you really waste time, and time is priceless. And sometimes time can be life for lifeless. You get into those cracks and they flip the vinyl, but they're doing those scratches to make you timeless. And none of those lasts, the pain and violence. Tell me how those bandits made me like this. You wanna line right till it came and blinded, but it's only bright lights on the main assignments. And I don't got time for the aching whiners. And you needed more time on the stand sign, bitch. I got one chance, I'ma do it. You couldn't do it once, I might do it twice. Anything I do, but I do it nice. I hit every border, I don't round the corner. Even you in sight, you ain't moving right. With a siren light, but you moving right. You might lose a half as a future wife. But you and I are the do or die. That's